In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A56 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by launching settings and scrolling to hit display. Then scroll again to tap on font size and style. Go into font style section and click on one of those. Then go back. If you want to, you can also tap on download fonts here. Click on a perfect one for you. Choose install and go back to your list. Now tap on it here to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!